Hi everyone. In these videos, I'm going to explain you the complete installation setup on Windows machine. So for that, we need a set of tools or softwares. We basically need PHP interpreter, composer, PHPStorm, and then we have to set up the Git, and then we have to download Xdebug, and we have to set up the Heroku. So in this video, I'm going to explain you how to download PHP interpreter and composer. So for that, I'll go to our modal. So I went here and professor has given us this link for reference. So clicked on this. So I'm going to follow the steps which are mentioned, which are documented over here. So initially we have to download this Visual C++, redistributable for Visual Studio 2015. If we don't download this DLL, it might give us an error message is what it is saying. So let us do that. So for that, we have to go to this PHP for Windows download page. And I'm going to download PHP 7.1 because this is the version which I have used and it was a very stable version. So for this PHP 7.1, I think we have to go with VC14. Okay, because this is a VC14 here, so we have to download the VC14 version here. So let us click on this one. I have already downloaded this one. If you download here, it'll give you this page where you have to select 66 or 86, 64 or 86 depending on your version. So I'm selecting 86. Click on next. So mine is already downloaded, so it's again trying to download it. So I'm canceling for now. So go here. Just have to run on this one. Click on next. That's it. It'll be done in your machine. Okay. Canceling it for now because I've already done it. Yes. So we are done with our step 1, and the step 2 is we have to download PHP for Windows. So let us do that. Went again here. I am downloading 7.1. Let me do what's mentioned here, non-thread safe version. So let me do that. This is thread safe, this is non-thread safe, and let me download the zip version. I'm downloading it here. So it's downloading. It is downloaded. So let me go to the folder. Let me just extract it. So I have done that. So let us go and see what is the next step. So you have to configure to run locally. You have to keep all the files in this folder. So let us make a folder in our C drive. So you have to give PHP 7. Since there is no space, even I'm not giving any spaces. Okay. So let me go and copy all my files which I've downloaded so far. So we'll go to the downloads. Oh, where is it? So I'll Control A, Control C, and keep it in my folder which I've created just now in my C drive, which is PHP 7. Okay, we are done. So let's go ahead and see what we have to do next. Closing this out because we will no longer need these. Okay. So now we have to go and edit this php.ini file. Okay. And we also have to rename the php.ini.development to php.ini file. Let me go here. Let me just see where is php.ini.development. Let me just Control C and Control V it. I'm copying and pasting it, and I have to rename it to php.ini. Okay. Yes, I want to change it. This is a file which we have changed just now. So I'm going and opening it in a notepad. So this is a file. We have to do a few other changes in this file as mentioned, as documented here. Go and we have to change the memory limit from 128 megabytes to 1 gigabyte. So let me just copy this one and search in that file. Control F, Control V, image. Okay, we got it. So let me just change it to 1G and then uncomment the lines that reads the extension. So let me just copy this. Okay, let us uncomment this. And there are also this bunch of lines which we have to uncomment, these DLLs. So let me just search for them. Okay. Then curl, just here. Then MB string. Okay. Then open SSL. Okay. Then MySQL. PDO underscore MySQL. Okay. Then SQLite. Okay. Then sockets. There is a socket, so I'm not getting it. So let me just Control C and search for it. Okay, got this. Okay. So I'm also uncommenting few other DLLs which are not mentioned here, but I feel that we might require them at some point or other in our projects. So in future, so this we might require SQLite and PGSQL. Yes, Postgres we might require sometime. So I'm also uncommenting this one. And okay. Let me just uncomment it. This as well, MySQL. Okay, that's all I feel would be required for us. So, and then you just have to save that file. Control S and then close it. Now we just have to add this one to our, we have to add this part to our environment variables in explicitly in Windows. So let me do that. So properties, advanced system settings, environmental variables, go to path, not sure. Okay, go to path, the system variables, edit, new. So we just have to copy paste that path over here. So copy pasting, Control C. Control V and okay. Yes, it got saved. Cool. So okay. So we're done till this tab. Click OK. Now open PowerShell or other terminal and type PHP minus or -v to see whether your PHP you have downloaded or not. So let me just open command prompt. PHP space -v. So it is saying, yes, we have a version of 7.1, so which means that yes, we have downloaded PHP successfully. Okay, so let us now go ahead and install Composer now. So to download Composer, we have to click on this link and then you have to download this setup.exe. So I'm downloading it here. So it's done. I'm running it. Yes. 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 Next. Install. Next. Finish. We are done. Now we have to type composer and see whether it is giving us our composer details or not. Let me do that. No, it is not showing up because sometimes our system might require a restart. So I'm stopping this video for now, and in my next video I'll continue from restarting my machine and see whether on typing composer in my command prompt will give me my composer details or not. Thank you for watching. Stopping this.